Hello, dear children. On this occasion of Children's Day, I thought that I must share an inspirational message with all of you, which is truly inspirational, which I read recently about this particular species. How many of you heard about band swallow, martins, or saw wings? These are a family of passerine birds found around the world on all the continents. A number of European and North American species are long distance migrants, and hence they are called as strongly migratory. They are also found in Asia, Africa, Australia, and even in Antarctica. Do you know why these birds migrate? They migrate for breeding. From Argentina, from South America, they go to California and North America, traveling a distance of 8,300 kilometers one side. And they go, undergo breeding there. They lay eggs, hatch eggs, and this journey by flying takes 2 months for them. They start from the beginning of February, they reach by end of March. 60 days almost these birds fly, carrying a small twig on its beak, and it reaches California. After the breeding is done, when they hatches the eggs, along with the chicks, they travel back starting from October and reaching by end of November back to Argentina. The total distance they fly, these small birds fly, and covers is around 16,600 kilometers. And for this whole journey, they carry a small twig in its beak. Why do they carry a small twig along with them when they fly? And they chooses the shortest route to fly through the ocean region. It crosses Pacific Ocean and reaches California. When it feels hungry or when it feels like taking rest, they use the small twig to lay it on the surface of the ocean water. They sit above the twig. They catches the fish that comes from the ocean water, and they also rest because there are no buildings, there are no trees, no land for them to rest. They have to cover almost 16,600 kilometers, and they will have only sea. So this is a small bird with a small twig. They could travel this much distance. We adults, we have all facilities. You, dear children, you are blessed with good parents, and they've given you all best facilities for you. They put you in the best schools. Like how the swallow bird does not complain, we shouldn't be complaining about what we don't have. We should be very thankful to the God for what the God has given us. I feel this bird, band swallow, is a true inspiration for all of us. Let us not complain. Let us march forward in our life. Happy Children's Day, dear children. Thank you once again.
पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग, जग की कोई रीत न जाने, मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी। मिला जो संग तेरा, उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग। छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा, मखना वे मखना, तू ही है संसार मेरा, मखना वे मखना। ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा, मखना वे मखना। छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा, मखना।
to all my dear students. I feel too blessed to serve the future of the nation. Children carry the hopes for a brighter tomorrow and the dreams for a happy future. May the innocence in the smiles and the purity of their hearts stay forever. The success of the teacher depends on the hard work and sincerity of the students. I have truly been blessed with some wonderful students in my life. Every child is a miracle and unique. Let us make this world safe and enjoyable place for our kids. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
On the occasion of Children's Day, I have an earnest request to all the dear parents of 7/8, and here is my request. Listen to your children. Take a moment to listen today to what your children are trying to say. Listen today, whatever you do, or they won't be there to listen to you. Listen to their problems, listen to their needs, praise their smallest dreams, praise their smallest deeds, tolerate their chatter, amplify their laughter, find out what is the matter, find out what they are after. Tell them that you love them every single night, and though you scold them, be sure you hold them tight and tell them everything's alright and tomorrow is looking bright. Take a moment to listen today to what your children are trying to say. Listen today, whatever you do, and they will come back to talk to you. Happy Children's Day. Thank you, dear parents and children.
Dear kids, each one of you is unique. Start thinking big, because thinking has the power to change the world. Never give up on your failure. Always remember that failing is a part of success. You are the reason for your teachers' and parents' happiness. As teachers, it is our responsibility to educate and nurture you. As students, it is your responsibility to do your work with more commitment, honesty, and integrity. Wish you a very happy Children's Day.
Hello children, I would like to share a quote on this day. A child can always teach an adult three things: to be happy for no reason, to be always busy with something, and know how to demand with all his might that which he desires. Once again, happy Children's Day to all of you.
Dear children, wishing you all a very happy Children's Day from Mansi teacher. This time I've tried to do something different to entertain you. I've tried to sing a rap song for the first time. Hope you all will enjoy it. Do let me know. से घर पे कुछ न मुझको सूझता, कभी कपड़ों से कभी बर्तनों से जूझता, हाथ में है सबके अपने देश को बचाना है, जैसा पहले देश अपना वैसे फिर बनाना है। करता काम घर से गम किस बात का, बीमारी फैलाने में लापरवाही का हाथ था। एक तरफ लगे हैं सब खोज वैक्सीन के, बाकी सबका काम एक घर पे बैठ सीन दे। Locked up in the lockdown, locked up in the lockdown, locked up in the lockdown. Ain't we have nothing to do, cause we are locked up in the lockdown, locked up in the lockdown, locked up in the lockdown, locked up in the lockdown. Locked in the house, surrounded by sanitizers. Locked in the house, feeling so sick and tired. Nothing much to do, yeah, you know what we mean. But we're stuck in the lockdown cause of COVID-19. But we're all in this together, doing the best that we can, because this is God's plan, God's plan, God's plan. सुन रहे जो मुझको मेरी दरख्वास्त, उनसे इससे लड़ना एक बन के, क्योंकि देश जुड़ा है तुमसे। चिल्लाओ जोर से, उठाओ अपना हाथ, सब अपने हिंदुस्तान से हटाओ इस हैवान को, अपने हिंदुस्तान से हटाओ इस हैवान को, इस हैवान को, हाँ जी इस हैवान को।
हॅपी चिल्ड्रन्स डे. सर्वांना बालदिनाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. मुले म्हणजे देवा घरची फुले, त्या फुलांप्रमाणे नेहमी हसत राहा, आनंदित राहा.
Children are like birds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. Quoted by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. As we all know, Children's Day is celebrated every year in India on November 14 to commemorate the birth anniversary of independent India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The day aims to increase awareness of the rights, care, and education of children. Fondly known as Chacha Nehru among children, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru advocated for children to have fulfilled education. He considered children as the real strength of a nation and foundation of society. Earlier, India celebrated Children's Day on November 20. The date observed as Universal Children's Day by the United Nations. However, after Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's death, his birth anniversary was chosen as the day in the country. Dear children, we are the ones who teach you languages, math, and science, but we learn how to live life and how to laugh with all your hearts from you. From you, we learn giggling, laughing, and playing. Let us continue to celebrate the Day of Children. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Good morning, children. Children's Day is celebrated all over India on 14 November to commemorate the birth anniversary of first Indian Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. 14 November is celebrated as Children's Day every year with lot of enthusiasm. It is celebrated to pay tribute to the great leader of the country as well as to improve the status of the children all over the nation. Children, you should understand the importance of our culture and stand as the pillar of our nation. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Hello children. As you all know that Children's Day is celebrated on the birthday of Chacha Nehru or Jawaharlal Nehru because of his fondness and affection for the children. Children are the future of our country and they are one of the most valuable resources that we have. I wish all the children good luck and success in everything that they do in their lives. I hope you all are staying safe but still making out the best of the moments that you have. Wishing all the children a very, very, very happy Children's Day. Have fun.
My dear children, Children's Day is a day filled with innocence, love and purity which you all bring to this world. It is you within whom lies all the freshness and magic. You have the potential to transform tomorrow. Just believe in yourself and blossom in your own domain. Happy Children's Day.
हम हैं चाचा जी के प्यारे बच्चे, माता पिता के राज दुलारे। आ गया है चाचा जी का जन्म दिवस, आओ मिलकर मनाए बाल दिवस। बाल दिवस की आप सभी को बधाई हो। हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे।
A mother holds her children's hand for a moment, but their heart forever. The same way a teacher holds your hand throughout their life by imparting her knowledge to you. A very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the good God made them all. Ever wondered why childhood is the best phase of our lives? Because the good God wanted us to experience the best things in our childhood. Happy Children's Day. God bless you all.
ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे। ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे। अंधियारा है गाना और लहू से सना, किरणों के तिनके अंबर से चुनके अंगना में फिर आ जा रे। हमने तुझ पे हजारों सितम है किए, हम जुल्म किए, हमने सोचा नहीं तू जो उड़ जाएगी, ये ज़मीं तेरे बिन सूनी रह जाएगी। किसके दम पे सजेगा मेरा अंगना, ओरी चिड़ैया मेरी चिड़ैया, अंगना में फिर आ जा।